Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video tutorial how to repair the invalid Imei for Nokia 110 2019, alias known as TA-1192. As you can see, we have here one sample with the damaged Imei. So I'm going to restore the Imei to the values found on the back sticker here, as you can see. So in order to do this process, I'm going to use Furiousgold box and SPD service tool from pack 2. So once we select our model, I'm going to click on the Imei BT lock and fill in the space here the Imei. I already noted it down here to make the tutorial faster, so I'm simply going to copy it and paste it. Now I'm going to press connect, and once the software starts searching for the mobile, I'm going to connect the powered off phone to the USB cable while keeping press the right soft key button. So right soft key button, going to connect the USB, and if everything is okay, the software detects the mobile and the repair process starts. Okay, so the process ended. Let's remove the USB cable and check the mobile. So as you can see, no more error message. We have here full signal, our operator. Let's check for the Imei. So as you can see, the value is correct. Phone got successfully repaired. Thanks for using our products. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Bye bye.